Part 14. Cleanup. When installing manufactured stone veneer, it is important to clean up as you work. One way to ensure your installation remains clean is to install from top down when the texture allows. Every few hours, return to your previous work and brush away the crumbly mortar. Mortar left on the surface will be more difficult to remove and may leave a stain. Protect previously installed work and other finished areas with drop cloth. When installation is finished, brush any remaining mortar and let the project completely cure. Once cured, you may come back and wash away any dust, dirt with straight water and a medium plastic brush. Granulated detergent can be added for stubborn dirt dust. If after the installation has aged a bit, some efflorescence occurs, it may be cleaned with a 5:1 water-vinegar solution and medium plastic brush. Always rinse off the cleaning solution completely, including impacted vegetation. If efflorescence persists, additional steps to address water management may be required. Never use an acid cleaner, power washer, or wire brush, as all these options may damage the stone permanently. Thank you for watching. Please view the other videos in this series for additional installation techniques and tips.